Hi guys, I'm Riley Eklund with Rock Refrigeration located here in Vistancia. I'm really excited to announce a new maintenance package that I'm offering. I wanted to come out with something for my loyal customers, something that would save them money, and I'm excited to say that we can save just over about 30% savings. We typically come out 2 or 3 times a year. You figure your maintenance is spring and fall, and then a service call. It's Arizona, it's harsh weather. We normally do have something. If it's little or big, we're normally out there at least once. So with this package, we're including those 2 semi-annual maintenances, spring and fall, and we're waiving dispatch fees. Priority service is one of the big ones, so it doesn't matter when you call in. If you're a priority service customer, you go to the top of the line there. And then also, being in that package, it's a 10% off any repair. So let's say we do the 2 maintenances, something does happen, you need to have me come out there, and it's a small part. I come out there and you get 10% off that right off the top. So it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I was finally able to put it together this year. So yeah, I look forward to it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.